Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy you could join my class today. We're going to learn about making sentences with our O sound words. It's going to be a lot of fun. Before we begin, let's say bonjour Ananas so she can join our class. Can you say that in a nice loud voice? Bonjour Ananas. Ouh, la voici. Oh, Ananas. Tu dis bonjour aux amis, oui. Ananas, are you excited to learn about how to make sentences? Oui, ok. On y va. Alors, on va commencer par choisir une couleur. Can you repeat the colors? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Je porte ma casquette rouge aujourd'hui, alors je vais choisir le rouge. You are watching French with Ananas. This is lesson 4.12, O sound. Leçon 4.12, son O. On va commencer, les amis. Oh, Ananas, regarde. Oh, Do you remember the French word for sun? Soleil. Can you say that? Soleil. Oui. So when we write sentences in French, we have to add words. So Madame has added some words at the beginning of the sentence. Beginning is the start of the sentence. Now the French word for sentence is phrase. Phrase. And I added words au début. Début is the beginning of the phrase. So these are the words that the sentence begins with. Je vois. Can you repeat those? Je vois. Do you remember what they mean? Je vois means I see. If you remembered, good for you. I see. So now we have to write what we see. And to continue, in the French language, when we write a sentence, we have to write the gender of the thing that we're talking about. So every noun has a gender. It's either masculine or feminine. Masculin ou féminin. So when we look at the word soleil, if you look at the little word in front of it, you will see it doesn't have an E at the end. That means it is masculine. So un soleil is masculine. Now, does that mean that the sun is a boy? No, it means that the word that means the sun is masculine. Un soleil is masculine. Masculin. Good job. Now let's say the whole sentence together. Je vois un soleil. Can you repeat that? Je vois un soleil. Now, did you know what it means? Did you say, I see the sun? Oui, bravo. Good job. On continue. Do you remember the word for pillow? Oreiller. Oreiller. Now, how do you know if oreiller is masculine or feminine? You look in front of the word. You see this little word is masculine. So oreiller is masculine. Un oreiller. Can you say that? Un oreiller. Bravo. Now let's say the whole thing together. Toute la phrase. Je vois un oreiller. Encore. Je vois un oreiller. Do you know what that means? I see a pillow. Bravo! Yay! Good job. On continue, mes amis. Oh, regarde. Wow. Do you remember the name of this fruit? Tomate. Tomate. Now, I see more than one, so I'm going to use des tomates. So the sentence will be Je vois des tomates. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Ananas, tu as une question? Oui. Oh, oui, okay. So Ananas asking me, what happens if you have one tomato, une tomate? Then we have to figure out the gender. Is it un tomate or une tomate? We look over here, on voit le E, so we know it's a feminine word. Une tomate. Alors on dit la phrase au complet. Je vois une tomate. Encore. Je vois une tomate. Bravo! Ananas, is it getting easier? Oui, ça devient plus facile. Ooh, oh wow. That looks like the forest. Do you remember the French word? If you say forêt, you are correct. Forêt. Bravo. Now, can you tell me, is forêt a masculine word or a feminine word? Ah, regarde ici, il y a un E. Alors, c'est une forêt. It is a feminine word. Une forêt. Bravo. Alors, on va dire la phrase au complet. Je vois une forêt. Encore. Je vois une forêt. Bravo! Oh, you're doing a great job. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? These are multicolored beads. Wow! Perles multicolores. And there's lots of them. Wow, il y en a beaucoup. So I will say des perles multicolores. So if we say the whole sentence, je vois des perles multicolores. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Tu me poses une question? Oui. Okay. She wants to know what happens if you only had one multicolored bead. Then you would have to know if it's masculine or feminine. Ah, regarde ici, on voit un E. Alors c'est une perle multicolore. Can you repeat the whole sentence after me? Je vois une perle multicolore. Encore. Je vois une perle multicolore. Yay! Good job! C'est beau, les amis. On continue. Oh, une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, où est mon sac, Anana? Oh, j'ai mon sac. J'ai mon sac ici, Anana. Regarde, j'ai mon sac. Wow! Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? On va ouvrir le sac. Anana, tu mets ta main dans le sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac, Anana? Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, oh, oh. Ah, c'est un panda, un ourson panda. Ça, c'est l'ami d'Anana. And do you know what his name is? His name is Oreo. Do you think that's a cute name for him? Oui, Oreo. Oh, les amis, did you have a fun time? Oui? You had a great time learning about sentences? Well, it is time to go, so we're going to have to say goodbye. Do you remember how to say goodbye? Can you say au revoir, madame? Au revoir, Oreo. Au revoir, Anana. Au revoir, les amis. See you next time.